Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope all are doing great. So in this video you are going to learn about IIS. Okay, so we have let's say in search option. Okay, you'll have the search option right there. You just type it as like IIS. You'll be able to see this internet information services, which is IAS manager. So you'll be able to see this kind of window, and if you expand this and expand the sites, and you can able to see this AOS service. Basically this AOS service, like AOS stands for application object server, and it is a key component of the D365 F&O architecture that provides the runtime environment for executing the application logic. Okay, sometimes that you need to restart this in order to manage your website. Means, as I said, like for the runtime environment for executing some application logics, you need to sometimes, like restart it if it is not function properly. Okay, so these we have many key points about this AOS service, like in D365, like application logic execution, as we discussed. In this, we have a multi-tier architecture and communication hub, etc. So this is like whenever if there is AOS service is stopped, so you have to check this, and or sometimes if it is not stopped also, you have to restart the service. Okay, so this is also one of the prerequisite you need to check whenever you're trying to use this Visual Studio application. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.